it. Have you ever heard a sound so strange it made you question everything? I have, and it happened just last night. I was home alone, just chilling on the couch, when this noise started. It was faint at first, like a low humming. I tried to ignore it, thinking it was just the fridge or something. But then it got louder. It wasn't a hum anymore. It was more like a rhythmic scratching coming from right inside my walls. I muted the TV and my heart started pounding. The scratching moved like something was crawling in there. That's when I completely freaked out. I grabbed my keys and my phone and I just ran. I literally left my own house because of a sound. I spent the night at a friend's place, too scared to go back. What would you have done? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Thanks for watching.